Hi, my name is Victoria and I'm going to show you how to use the cropping tool in the shopping cart in Workspace. So if your photographer has allowed you to crop the image you're purchasing, you can see the crop image button in the shopping cart summary. Click on this and you'll be taken to a new window. On this page you can use the zoom tool and then click and drag the image to reposition it. You could also change the crop by clicking the rotate button and click it again to return it to the vertical crop. Once you're happy with the crop, you can click Save and Close, and this will save the new crop of your image, or click Back to Cart if you do not wish to save the crop. It's not a good idea to crop your images too tightly, as important details can end up looking awkward. They could be covered by a mat in a frame, for example, or sometimes even be lost in production. We recommend you don't put important details near the edge of the image frame. Once you've finished, click Save and Close, and your image has been cropped. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.